Okay.
Um, Good afternoon. May I know about yourself?
So good afternoon. My name is Jai Sean. I'm really thank you for providing me this opportunity to be interviewed for this position. I'm currently a final year student at Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, majoring in information system and marketing. So during the past few years, I think I gained strong skills in data analysis. I learned SQL, Excel, Python with Plotly and Dash. So those are hands-on experiences from both academic project and internships. For instance, I developed an interactive dashboard for U.S. election data, and during my internships, I also conducted AI chatbot testing and create some multi-dimensional report to support the decision making. So for personal traits, I am really detail-oriented and proactive in communications. So I'm really confident that this quality or these traits will help me to contribute effectively in the Huawei data operation team.
Thank you for the introduction. May I know what are your career plans?
So in the short run, my goal is actually to work as a business or data analysis so I can gain some practical experiences, and maybe I will have a deeper understanding towards the whole industries. So after that, I want to continue to pursue the postgraduate or the PhD degree so I can have more theoretical knowledge to support my career to like a better place. So probably my so actually my final aspiration is actually to be a professor like in the data analysis or business analysis like field. So I believe starting my career in a company, like Huawei, it's a really it's like a base for the whole things happen after. Yeah.
What led you to select your college major?
So actually first I think it's actually the business analysis or the information system is the future of the world, because the world now is kind of like an information era. There's a lot of technologies and there's a lot of things around technology changes. So I think the information system kind of like as a bridge to build the technology and the business world. So I think it's like essential things for the future career industry. So I think it's kind of like that's the main reason that I chose it. And the second reason, actually, I think it can have high salaries, because I think based on some data or some research plans, I think like as a data analysis, especially for like 10 years maybe after, you can just have a really high salaries if you be a manager or something. So I think that's the two key reasons that I choose that. Yeah.
Okay, can you give me an example of your teamwork skills?
So I think it is when I was in a management team. So we have a really big team, which is like more than 8 people, and our group is really diverse. People are from different places like Korea, like Macau, like all those places, and speak different languages. So it's a little bit tricky to coordinate all the people, and the time is really tight. So we need to write both research paper and also the introduction videos regarding the topic that we chose. So in order to make sure all the things are going well, I'm trying to coordinate all the people's time so that we can have a meeting to further discuss our topic. And I also wrote an outline for the whole topic and trying to discuss with my teammates during the meetings. So, and I also trying to assign the roles to to based on the people's like preferences and also their capabilities. So eventually I think I try my best to speak the language that we all understand. So I think like the things are going really well. So eventually, so our group project actually got really good grades. I think the professor and also satisfied with our projects, and I think my grade for that course is also like good. Like I got A+ for that, which indicates my group project like going really well.
Okay, thank you. Tell me about the time when you experienced a problem with your senior colleague and how you handle it.
So I used to work as a market research intern. So I need to also do some marketing jobs like post some notes or post in the Xiaohongshu to attract the customers. So I remember there's a time I trying to create a post that I think it's interesting and probably can attract more attention from our target customers. But when I showed it to our senior colleagues, I don't think she that satisfied with my work because she think, oh, this might deviate our original path, and probably because our target is trying to attract some mothers, so she think maybe this like post is a little bit unattractive for those people. But I trying to persuade her about my job because like I trying to do some research and just finding like this kind of post is more interesting and will attract more viewers and attract people's attention. So eventually I think I successfully persuade her at least to give me a try for that. So eventually I think the result is quite nice. Like our viewer is like increasing at least like 400% increase, and the followers also like 400% increase, something like that. Yeah.
Thank you. Do you have any question for me?
I'm wondering the successful like the successful people that in your team have what kind of traits?
I think in our organization, all those people are very successful, and the common trait they had is detail oriented, because having a lot of diverse clients, we need to make sure that everything fits them well. So everyone is very detail oriented.
Okay. Thank you.